Welcome to the online classes of Dipol School Joshipur. Today we are going to read about SST of class 2. This is your book. So all of you come to page 12. So the chapter is fun with family. Okay. So you see this picture. In the picture it is given children playing carom with their parents. So living with family is always pleasing. Okay, all of us love to live in a family, love to live with our family. All of us in our family have fun in free times. So all of us, as we know, we have a schedule of our work from morning to evening, and among the schedule of the work we need some free time. Okay, to release our stress, to have fun, we need some leisure time. So in the leisure time we like to have fun, and fun is a thing that gives us, that makes us free from stress. Okay, it relaxes our mind. So we play many games with our family members. Okay, all of us have a family and we do like to play games, different games, maybe funny games, maybe indoor games, outdoor games. So game is of two types, one is indoor game, one is outdoor game. So what are indoor games? Indoor games are games which are played in a room, which can be played inside a room, like you see carom, ludo, cards, all these things. We don't need to play in the field or in a playground. We only need one small room where we can sit and play these games like carom, ludo, cards, chess, etc. And some are outdoor games. Outdoor games, the games which cannot be played inside a room, like cricket, football, hockey, kho, badminton. These are the examples of outdoor games, and we should play them in a field, in a playground. Why? For safety purposes. If we will play the outdoor games in a room, we can break our lights, we can break any you can say goods, anything which are kept or decorated inside a room. So the outdoor games are played outside the room and in a playground. And another type of fun is, you see, sometimes our uncle, aunt, cousins visit our home. We enjoy a lot when we are together. Our family gathers for picnic, birthday parties and wedding. This is also one type of fun, you see, when we go to our friend's house for any marriage party, any birthday party, or for any picnic. Sometimes our relatives also visit our houses. We also visit sometimes to our relatives who live far from us. So in this way, this is also a fun, while moving in a bike or moving by any car or any four-wheeler. When we move to one place to another, it becomes a fun for us. We enjoy it. We relaxes our mind. So activities which can be enjoyed with family, and some other things are also there which we enjoy to remove our stress from mind, like playing games. We play games. Sometimes we watch TV. The educational programs are there, comedies are there. We sit together and watch TV. Sometimes we go somewhere for a dinner or lunch with our parents, talking or listening to stories. Sometimes our parents also tell us moral stories, and our grandparents also tell us moral stories. In this way, all these activities are related to fun. So in evening we watch TV also. We also go to the park and the cinema. Sometimes we go to the park, different parks are there for wandering there. Sometimes we go to cinema to watch movies. Hmm. Sometimes our grandparents tell us stories or incidents of their childhood. This is also very important thing, you see. As when you are now you are children, okay, so when your grandparents will tell you the things that they had done in their childhood, it is very interesting to listen them. So this is also you can say mode of fun, to listen the stories or the incidents that they had done in their childhood. Hmm. We enjoy these stories and learn many important lessons. And all these stories or incidents that they had faced in their childhood are not for only for fun. They also give us important lessons, so that from their experience we can learn. The enjoyment is more when our parents join us. Fun and play keep us happy and healthy. So this is also a very important point, that fun and play keep us happy and healthy. By doing fun, we become happy. By playing games, we become healthy. So we should play safely and have fun. It feels nice to enjoy together. So when all of us play together, or you can say have fun together, it is very enjoyable. All of us enjoy it. Okay, so this chapter is about fun with family. In the next class we will read the next lesson. Thank you.